Hey, this is Doctor Who Reviews and More, letting you know to stay tuned for a new episode of Unboxing. But sorry, this episode took a very long time to upload because I had a problem with internet where I live. So that's why this episode is delayed. So sorry about that. For the people who are watching my videos and wondering when are he gonna upload a new video. We want to see more of unboxing, but here it is. Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of unboxing, and today I'm gonna open a new package just for you that I got for a week ago, last week. And further ado, let's dive right into it. But this package contains Doctor Who items. Yeah. So let's dive right into it and see what's inside. Okay, we have Doctor Who and the Daleks, the first movie with Peter Cushing that was released back in the 60s. And we have Daleks Invasion Earth 2150 AD, who are the second movie that was released back in the 60s with Peter Cushing. And and both of these two are Steelbooks. So let's open the first one. Well, I ordered these Steelbooks from Savi.com for a while ago. So this is what the Steelbooks looks like, the first one. So we remove the J card, and behind here we have extra materials. I mean special features. Lots of special features here. And we have down here we have language and we have subtitles here. Well, I believe it's English subtitle. And we take this J card. And this is the front of the Steelbook. This is the back of the Steelbook with the TARDIS right there. And we have, this is the spine of the Steelbook. And we open the Steelbook. You see here. Well, we have the Daleks right here. And we have the Doctor and his companions right here. Well, this movie, Doctor Who and the Daleks, takes place on Skaro. Well, you probably remember the second episode with William Hartnell. Yeah, you remember the second episode with William Hartnell as the Doctor called the Daleks. Yeah, this movie is almost the same as that episode. But that episode has a couple of episodes in it. So this movie is 85 minutes long, and the episodes with William Hartnell has 6 parts, I believe, 4 or 6 parts. Yeah. So this movie takes place on Skaro when the Doctor and his companions meet the Daleks for the first time. Yeah. And this is what's inside. We have 2 discs. We have 4K here, and we have the Blu-ray disc here. Yeah. So if we remove the discs, well, if we remove the disc, you will see the Doctor and his niece Susan standing there, face to face with the Daleks. So this movie takes place when the Doctor and his companion meets the Daleks for the first time. Just like the episode Doctor Who and the Daleks with William Hartnell. Yeah. So this is what's inside looks like. Second episode with William Hartnell, and there's this movie. They meet the Daleks, and they were captured by the Daleks and put in a prison, a jail, something inside Skaro where Daleks live. And the Daleks was curious about these people, and the Doctor and the companions escaped. And you see that Ian, he jumped into the Daleks inside the metal armor. Well, because they remove the Daleks creature inside. They remove the creature, and Ian jumps in here and pretend to be a Dalek. But the Daleks think that, oh, this Dalek is mysterious. There's something that's not right with this Dalek. So they destroy that Dalek. But Ian, where is he? Is he dead? Or did he survive? Yeah. So, so this movie takes place at the same place where William Hartnell and his companion are in the TV show and in the movie. So, so if you watched William Hartnell, the Dalek, and never watched Peter Cushing, so this movie and the episode The Daleks are almost the same. Because, well, the TV show and the movies are two people that plays the Doctor. Peter Cushing plays the Doctor in the movies, and William Hartnell plays the Doctor in the TV show. Yeah. So the TV show and the movie are almost the same. Yeah. And now we're gonna open a second movie called Daleks Invasion Earth. Well, inside this movie we have, Bernard Cribbins. Yeah, he plays in this movie with Peter Cushing back in the 60s. So this is the J card. Well, we have special features right here. We have the Daleks right here. No, here. Sorry, here is the Daleks, and we have the TARDIS, and here we have pictures from the movie. Well, just the same as this one. We have the Doctor, Peter Cushing. We have the TARDIS here, and we have pictures of the movie here. And here we have, you can read if you want. Here it stands a little bit of the movie, what it contains and what happens in this movie. Yeah. So here we have the Daleks, the TARDIS, and some pictures from the movie. And here you can read about what happens in the movie. Yeah. And here, down here, we have special features. Yeah. Well, in this movie, the Daleks Invasion Earth, well, it's almost the same. You remember the second season, season 2, when Susan, she leaves the Doctor, her grandpa, and she stay because she was in love with this guy, and the Doctor thought that, well, Susan has better life if she stays behind. And the Doctor, he saw that Susan and this guy has a great relationship, and saw that they were in love. So the Doctor decides to leave Susan behind. But Susan, she wants to be with her grandfather. Yeah, she wants to come and be with her grandpa for a long time. But the Doctor decides, no, Susan, she's gonna stay there. But one day I will be back. But, well, we never saw that the Doctor went back. No, we never saw him went back there. So, and, well, in Doctor Who, what happened to Susan? Yeah, it's been a long time since we saw Susan, the granddaughter of the Doctor. So, well, I hope that Russell T Davies, if you are watching Russell T Davies, I hope that you bring Susan back. The the woman, yeah, you know the woman who plays Susan back in the day. Well, she comes back as Susan in in maybe one or two episodes of Doctor Who. Yeah, I hope that, and then we can see what happens to her. Yeah, that would be fun to watch. So, so this is the front. Well, we have the sorry, we have Daleks here. We have uh, we have the Doctor, and we have the Doctor's niece. We have Bernard Cribbins, and the and a woman who also joins them. Um, so this is the front. This is the back. Well, the back we see the TARDIS, and we see the spaceship where the Daleks is here, and we see the spine here. And when we open up, you see the whole picture. Well, this movie is it's almost the same in season 2 with William Hartnell. Yeah, when when the Daleks invade Earth, and also you see that Susan, Doctor's granddaughter, she is left behind. Well, that episode is quite the same as this movie. Yeah. So if we remove the discs, we remove the discs, and then you see inside here we have the Daleks. Exterminate, exterminate. Yeah. Well, why you say? Why did he order uh, Peter Cushing Steelbooks? Well, I have it on DVD upstairs. Well, in a video that I did last year, I took pictures and create a picture episode that I shown you of my Doctor Who collection. I show you the DVDs, I show you the Blu-rays, I show you the VHS tapes that I have, and yeah, and well, also the figure that I have of Doctor Who, the Fourth Doctor. Yeah, Tom Baker. Yeah, I have a little action figure of him that I got in this box set with Tom Baker. Well, it's an episode, a DVD with a Doctor Who episode, and also there's two DVDs, because one of the DVDs are the episode of Doctor Who, and the second DVD is an interview with the Tom Baker, and also the audio CD was, I believe, Genesis of the Daleks, I think. Yeah, in audio, like you hear Tom Beck here reads. Yeah. And inside that box set was an action figure with Tom Baker as the Fourth Doctor, and you know, the sonic screwdriver that he has. Yeah, it also was in that box set I bought for a couple of years ago. So also you see that in the video, a picture presentation. If you want to see my Doctor Who collection. And well, also Peter Cushing I have on DVD. So also I have the box set with both of the DVDs inside. And that's original I bought for a couple of years ago. And also I got the movies that I downloaded from internet on two DVDs in a fan-made cover that I also showed you in that picture presentation. So now I have it on Blu-ray and 4K. Yeah. Instead I want to order these movies. You know, on a Blu-ray, the normal standard Blu-ray cover, the blue cover. So I decided no, I want this on Steelbook. So I went into Savi.com and they have the Steelbooks, so I ordered them from there. Yeah. The second movie called the Daleks Invasion Earth 41 no 2150 AD. Well, in that movie you see Bernard Cribbins as this young guy. Well, he plays a cop in this movie, and something happened. Yeah, and then he got to know the doctor and his granddaughter Susan and another woman. There was another woman there. Is this woman who also are in there? Is she the doctor's granddaughter, the second granddaughter? Well, I don't remember because there's a long time since I watched these movies. Yeah. So I have to watch them again on Blu-ray. Yeah. Well, I watched them on DVD. I watched them on TV. Well, on Netflix. Yeah. Well, you remember Netflix? They have both of these movies. Yeah. With Peter Cushing. Yeah. If you haven't watched either of Peter Cushing movies and you have Netflix, go there, search Doctor Who or Peter Cushing. Then you see that they have these movies, and then you can watch them there. Oh, Peter Cushing, Doctor Who. Okay, I never watched them before, so now I can watch them. Yeah, they have it there. Um, the second movie is quite the same as the episode with William Hartnell. Yeah, you see that the Daleks comes to Earth, they invade Earth, they take humans as prisoners, and they program them to be robotic and helps them to defeat Earth. Yeah, and the first one, you see the first movie is quite the same as the second episode with William Hartnell in season 1 of Doctor Who. Then you see the Doctor and the companions are on Skaro. They meet the Daleks for the first time. And also they meet some creatures, human-looking creatures on Skaro. And they joining them to defeat the Daleks. So it's quite the same. The first movie, Doctor Who and the Daleks, it's the second episode of Doctor Who with William Hartnell. The second movie is in season 2 of Doctor Who and William Hartnell. But these two movies have Peter Cushing as the Doctor. And sadly, Peter Cushing passed away later on in the 80s, I believe, or beginning of the 90s. Somewhere there. Also Peter Cushing was in Star Wars. Yeah. Well, you remember Star Wars episode 4, New Hope? Yeah, Peter Cushing is in that movie. Well, he plays Darth Vader's men, one of Darth Vader's men in that movie. And later on, many years later, in Rogue One, a Star Wars story, they brought Peter Cushing back. Yeah, in that movie with computer graphic something. Yeah, so they brought him back, the character of Peter Cushing. Yeah. So go to Netflix and watch these movies with Peter Cushing and Bernard Cribbins. Yeah. Because he's in the second movie. And, many years later, in 2000 someplace, he comes back to Doctor Who in the episode called Voyage of the Dam. When you see the Doctor and Astrid were transported down to planet Earth, they talk to this guy, an old man, standing in a kiosk at the corner. And that guy is Bernard Cribbins. Yeah. So you see him a little bit in that episode. And they talk to him, and he mentioned that last year we have in the sky, we had a spaceship in the sky. And they were, aliens. And he talks about the Queen, and, So they had a little conversation there, and then they transported up to the Titanic. So in that episode, you see Bernard Cribbins a little bit for a few minutes. And also he was coming back in season 4 of Doctor Who. The last season of David Tennant. Yeah, and and he played in a couple of episodes in that season, and also he returns in the episode called "End of Time," and he joining the Doctor in the TARDIS and helps the Doctor defeat the Master, and the Doctor is gonna die in that episode. That's the prophet we got in the episode The Deadly Planet, or the Planet of Death, or something. Yeah. When this black woman says to him, he's gonna knock 4 times. Everyone thought that it's gonna be the Master who knocks 4 times. But they were wrong. It isn't the Master. No. It's Bernard Cribbins. He was locked in this machine, and if he gonna come out of the machine, someone has to go into the machine and let him out. So the Doctor went into the machine and pushed the button, and then Bernard Cribbins got out of the machine, and the Doctor stays. And you know what's happened. Yeah. Well, it's a sad moment in that episode when you see the Doctor in that machine, and also the end of that episode. You see, I don't want to go. You see that sad moment, sad face of David Tennant at the end of the episode. Yeah. Well, End of Time is one of my favorite episodes of all time. Yeah. Um, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And have a nice day to all my subscribers and all the fans that are watching. And I'll see you soon in another video. And these two are the pile of this video. Bye.